Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an AI influencer using Makeinfluencer.ai, and this you can use to create a faceless Instagram page. So let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Makeinfluencer.ai. So just a small disclaimer, it is not safe for work. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do is click on create your influencer. On the left hand side, you'll have to sign up. So let's go ahead and sign up. If you are signing up with your Google account, just make sure that you confirm you're 18 years or older. Go ahead and sign up. You will be prompted to sign up for their paid plan. But for now, you will just have to exit that. You will, however, need to sign up for their paid plan to create your influencer. But I'm taking you through the process so that you can see how easy it is and how many options you'll have when creating. So first of all, how did you discover Makeinfluencer.ai? What features are you here for? Of course, if you are just looking for consistent character, whatever the case may be here, you can select more than one. Let's go and say get started. All right, the first thing we're going to do is click on create influencer over here once you have created your account, and here you can choose your influencer gender. So let's go ahead and choose female, say next. Here we want to choose a style. So we're looking for something realistic or anime. Let's go ahead and say realistic. Over here, we want to go ahead and choose an ethnicity. So we want to go and look through any one of these, choose whichever it is that you would prefer. And here you are going to choose your age. So let's go ahead and say 37. Let's say we're going to go down here, choose your eye color. Let's say green. Next. You want to look for hairstyles. So let's have a look for curly hair. Hair color, we want to look for, let's say, green, and say next. Here we're looking for body shape, fit, skinny, muscular, chubby, whichever you prefer. Go ahead. Here we're going to say breast size. We're looking either for flat, small, medium, large, double XL, gigantic. Let's go and grab gigantic. But same, small, medium, large, athletic, let's say athletic, and let's say next. Here we are going to choose some personality. So you can have a look through these different personalities and see which really suits what you're looking for. So let's just go ahead and choose this one and say next. Here you can choose a voice. This is fantastic. Here you can just click on the little headphone icon. You'll be able to sample some of the voices. And once you have selected the voice that you like, you're going to go and click on select. Let's click on next. Over here, occupation. Okay, so let's have a look at what occupations they have. Let's say a beauty therapist. And then we have some hobbies. So let's say gaming, definitely. And fitness. And we can go ahead and say next. We can now also choose our relationship. Okay, so is this a stranger, schoolmate, colleague, mentor, whatever it is? Let's go ahead and let's choose our relationship here. Here we can start choosing the clothing that the influencer will usually wear. Now, there is a small disclaimer over here. You can select any clothing style, including revealing options like bikinis or lingerie. However, this will be adapted during the initial AI training to focus on the face and appropriate clothing. So after your influencer is created, then you can generate more sexy or even not safe for work content using these clothing preferences. So let's go ahead and just say tennis outfit. You can only choose one from here. And then we got any special features. There are some weird special features over here. Let's just say tan lines because it's kind of like the most normal. This is essentially a summary of what you have over here. So relationship, style, ethnicity, personality, age, physical appearance, all of the details here. If you're unhappy about this, you can just click on try again. But what we're going to do from here is go down, and there are two ways that you can start creating this AI influencer. The first way is generated images. Now, this will let the AI create the images for you, and they won't be as high quality, but it will be a lot quicker than the second option. And the second option is ultimately uploading reference images. So you can upload images of maybe if you're doing an influencer that looks like yourself or your best friend, whatever. It doesn't matter what it is. You're going to upload these images and these will be better quality. Once you've chosen whichever you want to choose, you're going to upload your images and you are going to click on next. And that is where your paywall will come in. You will have to subscribe to Makeinfluencer.ai, and then you'll be able to see your AI influencer, and you can create a Faceless Instagram channel, you can create a YouTube channel, you can create a Facebook page, whatever it is, and you can monetize that page, and you can make a decent amount of money from that monetization.